Students, today we can see that adjustment for tax cash flow statement video number 9, adjustment for tax. This is a small topic, only one adjustment. Before we had seen that in case of tax, if two figure is given, one figure, that is current year, we are considering as that the provision for tax, and here you can see that the provision for tax is current year is given, and this normally we are using as that in the working note we are adding this amount, and after that this is previous years provision for tax, we are reducing in the operating activity, last or end of that operating activity, we are reducing this amount, that is base years. If 2 year is given, and in that previous years we are reducing in the operating activity, and current year we are adding in the working note. So if question is given, one more adjustment for that provision for tax, that means in the additional information, if any more information is given about that the tax, here you can see that two figure is already given, and its adjustment you already had seen, and now we may can see that question is given with the tax paid rupees 4,000. Here you can see that provision for tax, two figures are given, and after that one more figure is given, that is additional information is showing 4,000, that is given as that tax paid. In this situation, we may have to make a ledger account for tax, ledger account for tax, provision for tax account we have to create, and in that normal ledger account. So first of all that we may have to take the balancing figure, we may have to take that base year's amount, that will be opening balance for the current year. This will be opening balance. By opening balance we will mention here, this is provision for tax is a liability, so its balance, last year's balance will be credit balance, that is why we will show this is in the credit side. In the credit side we will show this. You can see that this balance, last year's balance, we will take as that the opening balance, or by balance BD, brought down, that is 5,000 we mention here. This amount, the base year's amount, we mention here, and another figure is given, that provision for tax of the year, current year, and that we will mention here. This is balancing figure. This is as balancing figure. Balancing figure means balance carried down. Balance carried down is given here, and that we will mention that closing balance, so 7,000 we will mention here. And another amount here, tax paid, this is the actual tax we paid in this year as cash, so this amount we will mention here. To bank we will mention, that means tax paid amount we will mention here, and after that we will add which side is more, and here you can see that this side is showing more amount, 11,000, we will write that 11,000 both side, and the difference amount we will this is the balancing figure, and that balancing figure is known as that by provision, we will mention as that by provision. This is current year's provision, we will take that this is as current year's provision. So when we are preparing cash flow statement, we will take this amount as that in the operating activity, we will reduce in the end of the operating activity, and this figure this is that provision for current year. This amount we will take as the working note, and we will add with that the working note. I hope you understand that it's one another problem will be shown next day. Thank you.